Overhauling a Husqvarna 51 chainsaw. Got most of it torn down. Ordered new cylinder head, piston. The old one is cylinder head probably be salvageable, but the piston is shot. As you can see, it's gone. Just got my puller in today for the worm gear on the oil drive. Just pulled it off. Puller works pretty good. Next step is to use my case splitter clamp. I made it to be able to split the case off of the crankshaft and the bearing. Got all new bearings for the lower end, gasket, seals. I'm going to go back together with it with all new parts except for the crankshaft and the connecting rod. All that's good. So clutch is all good, flywheel, all that stuff is good. Ignition coil. Just got another tool in. It's a Mighty Vac. Be able to pull a vacuum or pressure test on the on the chainsaw once I get it back together. Make sure there's no leaks. It's a model MV8500. New bar and chain. So it'll be a good saw once it's back together. Just got to clean this case halves up. Starter Husqvarna 51. And over here got a 61 that I bought off a guy on a forum. It's in really good condition. He restored it or went through the case, lower end, upper end, cleaned it all up. It's a good running saw. I got two home lights down here that I'm going to have to go through and see what's wrong with them. This home light blower was running terrible. I took this case off and the fuel tank. Noticed that the head was loose. So I tightened the bolts on it, and it runs like a champ now. Been putting up with that for a year. Didn't know really what was wrong with it until I got into it. But once I get this one back together, I'll do those two home lights, and then we'll have some saws to use. I'm in the process of building a bandsaw log mill, and I've got the saw completely done. I'm just building the rails for it now. So that'll be another video, probably a pretty lengthy video on how to build a bandsaw mill. It was exciting for me to build that. We've got about 70 logs to mill, waiting for the sawmill to be finished and start making some beautiful stuff. Start making tables and all kinds of stuff. I'll show you the clamp I built. Here's part of it. There's the rest of it. I plasma cut it all out, welded it together, sandblasted it, and now I'm just painting it. Well guys, that's it for now. More to come on the sawmill. Thanks for watching.